This is a quick how to sharpen your knife out in the field. I have one of our ultra high carbon steel knives in my hand, and for that I will need to use a diamond sharpening steel. And many people ask us, what is the right angle to use when you sharpen your knife? And it's quite simple. You just follow the angle that we have on the blade. And the simple way to do that is to put your knife against your diamond sharpening steel, and when the gap between the blade and the diamond sharpened steel disappears, there's a small shadow that disappears, then you are at the right angle. Then you just do very small movements like this. And why I do very small gentle movements like this is to make sure I always keep the right angle against the sharpening tool. And I do this a few times. You don't need to do it with very hard pressure or anything like this. And then I can feel on the other side of the edge there will be a small slight burr. That means I'm ready to change to the other side. And then I do the same, check for the right angle, and small movements, just very slightly like this. And depending on how much you need to apply sharpening to your knife, you might need to do this a few times, but in this case I just show you how to do it in the very simple way. And then I just finish it off with a slight movement against the edge, but with a little bit more angle to remove the remaining burr. So very, very soft and gentle like that, and the other way around. And then I carefully test it on my nail, and it really sticks to the nail, and that means it's sharp again and ready to use. And that's how simple it is to sharpen your knife out in the field.